Well, hello everyone and Merry Christmas to all. Today I am teaching you Trendy Christmas nail art design step by step guide. Number 1 design is red chick. Channel your favorite wrapping paper with a classic red blade, keeping the pattern to a few nails makes it easy to DIY. Next design is cranberry Christmas nail art design. You can never go wrong with a classic red and rich berry shade like olive and John's cozy up is perfect for holidays. Our next design is Rudolph nails. Not only is this reindeer nail art cure, it's also so easy to recreate with a topic and your go neutral polishes. Next design is snowflake ascent. Break up icy white mani with a simple snowflake design. Next design is chick squares. For another sophisticated take on holiday nail designs, layer a pale pink over a metallic red. The contrasting textures is so cool and the pastel is unexpected. Move to next design, true red. On the hunt for some Christmas gel nails, a classic cherry red is sure bet at any salon. Next design, we talk about pearls and studs. While leave the fun only to your nails when you can check your whole hand. Follow in nail artist Miss Pop's footstep by using eyelash glue to attach beads and pearls to your fingers. Let's talk about the next art design is silver snowflakes. There's a lot to love about this many, from the silver accent nail to the sweet snowflakes. If you are not confident with a nail brush, try these stickers for a similar look, and be sure to check out all your favorite snowflakes nail for more info. If you need the snowflake sticker, order in amazon.com as well. Our next design is Reach Red. Playing with negative space, it's an sophisticated. Thank you very much for watching this video.